Hi, I am Kimmo. Welcome to my channel Tolkien Videos Movie News. On this channel you'll find classic films, cult movies, martial arts, horror, Blu-ray, DVDs and rare editions. I really enjoy martial arts and ninja movies. I also collect horror and cult classics. Some of these releases are really rare and special. If you love movies and rare collections, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to join my movie collector community.